Making 5 to 10K per month online does not need to be difficult. It doesn't matter what business models you've tried in the past, whether you've tried running an agency, you've tried dropshipping, forex trading. There are so many different ways that you can make money online. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what I would do if I had to start over again right from the very beginning. And this is exactly what I'm still doing to this very day. What we're going to be doing is offering completely free websites to local business owners. And I know what you're thinking, how can we actually make money selling free websites? Well, I'm just about to explain that in just a moment. This right here is a 4-step process. So step number 1, search for businesses without a website. Step number 2 is create them a website, and this is extremely simple. Do not need any web design experience whatsoever. Step 3, you reach out to the business and offer them the website. Step 4, you upsell them down the line to one of your other features or services. So step 1, search for businesses without a website. If we just pull this back right here, as you can see, we got Google Maps on here. I recommend Google Maps is the best place to start when it comes to actually searching for potential clients that you want to work with. The reason why I say Google Maps is because Google Maps gives you all of the information about the businesses in any area. It doesn't matter if it's in your local area, if it's in the next town or city over, or if it's in a completely different country. Google Maps will tell us everything that we need, from the amount of Google reviews that they have, their opening hours, and most importantly, if the business has a website or not. So you can go ahead and search for a type of business in a certain area. I just went pretty broad. I searched for businesses in Belfast. This works exactly the same. You could type for, gyms in New York City. You could search for real estate agents in London. You could even search for barbershops in Dublin City, and you're still going to be able to find out everything that you need to know. If we scroll down this list, all of the businesses that are in Belfast are going to pop up. But as you can see, it doesn't take very long until we find one that does not actually even have a website for their business. So this one right here, Belfast City Centre Management Company, there isn't a website button on here. And if we actually just click on this, as you can see, there isn't very much stuff on here. It has the address, it has a phone number, it has the directions, some Google reviews, but it doesn't have a website. This then leads us into step number 2, is create them a website. And if we pull this one back, we use one of the thousands and thousands of website templates inside of a software platform called Go High Level. So if we head over to Go High Level, as you can see on the left hand side, I'm inside my sub accounts. What you want to do, every single website that you create for a potential client, you want to create that inside of their very own sub account. So if you don't know what High Level is, or even what a sub account is, High Level is the actual software platform that we're going to be using, providing to clients, building out the website, eventually offering more down the line, but I will get to that in just a moment. Sub account is pretty much where all of your clients and potential clients, automations and websites and everything like that are going to get built out inside of. So all we need to do is head over on the right hand side and click on create sub account. Then going to ask us to choose a snapshot, and a snapshot is pretty much just a pre-built account with websites already loaded inside of there. Just click select and continue and add account manually. We're then going to fill out all of these details. We're going to fill out a name, an email address, and we're just going to fill out the actual information about that business right there. Once you wait a few seconds, the sub account successfully gets created and it will automatically take us to there. If we then head over to sites over on the left hand side and come up here to websites, we can click on new website over on the right from templates, and what's going to happen here is thousands and thousands of pre-made ready to go website templates are going to pop up here. We can literally just scroll down through here, pick the best website. I've literally never gotten to the bottom of this website list. There are literally thousands of websites in here. If there's a specific industry of business that we want to actually reach, if we come over on the left hand side, we can search for types of different industries. So say for example, if we wanted to work with a real estate agent, we can click on real estate and choose any of these templates right here. So this template right here looks pretty good to me. It has a few things on here. It has, real estate listings, it has images, it has text on here. What we're going to do is click on continue. It's then going to add the website into our sub account. Once the website template has successfully loaded in, we can completely change and edit all of this. So say for example, if we wanted to swap out that logo for our client's logo, we just click on the placeholder up here that says logo here. We scroll down on the right hand side, click on this little image icon. All of our images and everything are going to automatically pop in here. We can just double click, and as you can see, the logo has been added on there. We can literally do as many different things to this website template as we want. So say for example, we can change all of this text. We can, take this out of there. You click on the image, you go over on the right hand side and you choose any of the images inside of there. We can even completely move different sections of the website around. So if we just click on this arrow, we can move this part up there. So as you can see, those listings are now higher on that website right there. We can literally change absolutely everything about this website. That's the best part about the high level website templates, is it gives you a pretty good guideline, a nice layout where you can literally just come in and change everything for your client. Step number 3 then is reaching out to offer the website. And this is one of those things that people don't really understand and people don't really even know where to start. When it comes to reaching out to businesses, there are 2 main methods that I recommend. Method number 1 is going door to door and physically walking into businesses. This works specifically well for local businesses, you know, those businesses that are actually inside of your local area. Now, going door to door is one of the most nerve-wracking and daunting outreach methods. I get it, you're walking into a business and instead of them pitching you something, you're actually flipping that and you're pitching them with your website. Method number 2 then is cold calling, where you're literally just picking up your mobile phone, you're calling a bunch of local businesses in your area and asking them if they want a website for their business. There are a few other methods that I recommend, like referrals, automated bulk cold emails, Instagram DMs, Facebook messages, Facebook groups. There's so many different methods that you can use. I recommend just choosing 2 of them, going all in with that. Real quick guys, if you do want access to a completely free step-by-step course that shows you everything that I'm covering right here in much more detail, it covers how to get all of this completely set up, it covers all the other methods that you can use to get clients, how to reach out to those clients, and how to even take payments from those clients. The course has been designed to take you step by step through everything, so you don't need any other outside resources. You also get access to all my templates, all my bonuses, all my scripts, one-to-one coaching, an insider community group, and so much more. If you do want access to that free course, simply leave a like on this video and drop a comment down below. So right here, if we were going to go ahead and cold call a bunch of businesses or even walk into them, make sure it's of course in your local area if you're going to be walking into them. Of course you can travel, you can go over to your nearest city, nearest town, your nearest village, pretty much wherever you know that a bunch of businesses are located. So if you take that businesses in Belfast example, what we can do is literally just click on more and we can just go through all of the business owners on there. We can call all day, you know, we can make 100 cold calls a day, 200 cold calls a day. And listen, I know that sounds like a lot. Trust me, half of the business owners aren't even going to pick up anyways. So it doesn't take you a long time to get through a bunch of numbers. You'll eventually get through to the business owner and you will offer them that free website. You'll call up that business, offer the website for completely free. All they need to do is cover the hosting costs of the website itself. It doesn't matter what website building platform that a business uses, they need to pay for website hosting regardless. So even if a business pays like 3,000 euros or 5,000 pounds to a local web design agency, they still need to pay that monthly hosting cost to keep that website live on the internet. That's where you're going to be able to collect your initial revenue from the very start, is that monthly hosting cost. But if we then go back to step number 4 right here, we have upsell. Now, what I mean by upsell is there are so many other features inside of high level that you can offer to businesses. You know, you got reputation management where you can help a bunch of business owners get a ton more positive Google reviews into their business, but completely hide and internalize any negative reviews. You can build out a bunch of automations, and don't worry, you don't need to be an expert at any of this stuff. You don't even need to know how to do website design. You don't even need to know how to do any automations. High level pretty much does it all for you. So if we go over on the left 2 automations, we can choose any of these automated templates that we can literally just import, get up and running for a business in less than 60 seconds. What I recommend is taking some time to actually go through some of these automations, figuring out how they work. So whenever you're actually trying to explain this stuff to business owners, you'll know exactly what you're talking about. And the thing is as well, business owners will be able to pick up on the fact that if you know what you're talking about or not. That's why you really need to actually go through all of this, learn it for yourself, maybe sit down and do some demo sales calls with some people around you so that you can practice selling this before selling it to businesses. This right here is where the real money comes from, this selling the actual upsells, like the reputation management and the automations. Because you've already went ahead and you've reached out to a business and you've given them a completely free website. You've saved them literally thousands of euros or dollars or pounds that if they were to go ahead and get a website design agency to build their website, like I said, instead of them paying like 3K for a website, you've done it for completely free. Once that website has been live on the internet for a little while, they're starting to get customers from their website organically. That's the perfect time where you can come in and you can upsell them to all the other features. Because the thing is, the clients that you have already worked with in the past or are currently already working with, those are the easiest people that you can sell to. So much easier to sell to someone that you've been working with for a very long time, or even, you know, someone that's paid you even once, than it is to go ahead and go out and get brand new clients. So the free website option is such an easy in with these business owners. Whenever you start upselling them to other features, you will make a ton of money in the process of doing so. That's why it's not that difficult for this business model to start adding up. You know, if you have 10 clients paying you $4.97 for some simple automations and reputation management alone, 10 clients on that low cost, and you're already practically at 5K every single month. I don't know about you, but making 5K per month is a lot more than some people do working their 9-to-5 jobs. I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. So if you do want access to that completely free step-by-step course that includes one-to-one coaching, all my templates, all my scripts, all of my bonuses, like I said, drop a like on this video, and the course is in that first link down below in the description. You can also see it inside the pinned comment down below. This exact course is what all of these people that I'm showing on the screen right here went through, just got started, dedicated themselves to it, and made a bunch of money in the process of doing so. This exact course right here is also the official winner of the top of funnel high level lead magnet competition. This is a competition that high level ran themselves. They've been through all of my stuff, they've been through all of my resources, and I won the #1 spot for that competition. So if you do want access to that, leave a like in this video and click on that first link down below. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. If you have any questions or anything that you'd like to add, you can also drop a comment. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more videos like these. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.